sorry.
You there, stop. No joke. Hey, you. Stay away from here.
Move along, citizen.
Did you hear the Emperor lost his sword?
If you want to help, you could go and find it for him. Oh, my sword. Thank you, Ninja. I heard you retrieved the Emperor's sword for him.
You've done a good deed for this town. We heard about your good deeds. The gate is open for you.
Pass through, quickly, before any riffraff sneaks in.
Oh, sorry, I overslept again.
I have to take a lunch to school today.
Oh no, I forgot all about that.
That's okay. I'm making lunch for everyone. I'm coming. Just a minute. May.
I get one.
May, sit down and eat.
There you go. Wrap it up so it stays fresh, okay? I gotta go.